Guys, see the question? Solve for x. He's asking what is x equal to, as simple as that. X equal to what? Or he'll say for what value of x does the equation make sense? He can frame it any way, doesn't matter. What is the idea? The idea is to isolate x. I do not like you x. So let's go step by step. He says 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 3. I do not like you x. Who is with x minus 1 by 2? Let me throw him over there. 3 plus 1 by 2. Very clear. Now guys, if I have to quarantine someone, am I going to take him and throw him in a room altogether, or am I going to do it slowly, step by step? It is a slow approach. It is a step by step approach. Seal it. Yes, good. Now, guys, what is 3 plus 1 by 2? Yes, 3.5. This is 3.5. How did you said 3 plus 0.5 equal to 3.5. But let me not work with decimals here. I don't like decimals. Sorry. Let's see what is to be done. How do I solve this? Take LCM method. You guys know the LCM method? When I take the LCM, I'm going to get 7 by 2. Am I not? I don't like decimals, dude. They annoy me. Let me work with something very simple. Let me work with numbers. 7 by 2. You guys are clear till here? Yes. What is over here? 2x. Now, there is something with 2 that I still do not like. I'm saying, go away, dude. I don't like you. So what I tell you, if I have to remove him over here, I have to send him over here. So it becomes into 1 by 2. He goes away. So what does it become? 7 by 4. Does it make sense now? Now, you can either leave the answer over here, or you can actually do 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 3.0, 4 sevens are 28, 2, 5. Someone said 1.75. I am wondering how no one got this answer. You got 2, 1, 2.5. Can you guys tell me
what I did?
What was the mistake that you made?
What I did is first I in minus 1 by 2 I didn't take the whole thing there. I the denominator 2 I put it there, multiplied it by 2, then I did minus 1. I mean, yeah.
Okay. Now, okay. In the next problem, let's not make that mistake. So let's understand this problem in a different way once again. Okay. This is not the only way to solve the problem, is it? Let's try doing, and let's see how, Priscilla, you will figure out where you went wrong. Let me solve it once again. Let me explain it to you. You guys will understand. But is this solution clear? You get the idea how it happened. I told you, isolate, play around, shift, and get the answer. Now, we have 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 3. How do I remove this 1 by 2, man? It is minus 1 by 2. If I add plus 1 by 2 here, I should also add plus 1 by 2 over here. Is this step clear, guys? If I add plus 1 by 2 on one side, I told you to balance it, I have to add plus 1 by 2 on the other side. And why am I doing this? To cancel them out and only get 2x equal to 7 by 2. Does it make sense now? Let's see a different approach to the same question. There's not just one way, there's so many ways, right? Step by step isolation. Now, there is 2x equal to 7 by 2. Instead of shifting, if I have to remove this, I have to divide by 2. If I am dividing by 2 on one side, in order to balance them, I have to divide by 2 on the other side also. So what do I get? This gets cancelled and I get x equal to 7 by 4. Does that make sense now? You see a different way? Priscilla, is it clear now? Guys, if you have any more doubts, please solve. Please tell me if you have any doubts. No problem. We are here to go very slow, but once we are thorough, it's going to be very fast. Very fast. You see how we can do it differently? It is up to you. You want to perform an operation? Shift, perform an operation. If you want to eliminate step by step, eliminate step. Okay, Karthik, you're not clear with the last step. I will explain again. Don't worry. I told you, yeah, 2x equal to 7 by 2. What do we do here? This is basically 2 into x is equal to 7 divided by 2. When Karthik, this is only for you. If multiplication goes to the other side, the operation becomes division, right? So if I have to remove 2 from here, I have to put a 2 over here, right? It has to divide. Am I right? Yes. Now what do I get? I only have x over here. X equal to what? 7 by 4. Is it clear now? Clear? No doubts. Now guys, next question for you. The next question is, solve guys. Start. Do not worry about how long it is. Just.
So can you switch the screen because we can't see the
Yes. I'm going to switch 1 second. Do not worry about how long the question is. Just solve. Okay. 8. Okay. I've got 2 8s. I've got a 5. I've got a 1 by 3. Chalo. Let's see how it is to be done. (16 into 3x). This is to be multiplied with this. This is to be multiplied with this. 16 into 3x minus is the sign. 16 into 5. Okay. Minus 10 is to be multiplied by 4x. 10 is to be multiplied by minus 8. Or okay, if I have to put it in a way, it is say 10 into minus 8. Okay guys. Now 16 into 3 is 48x. 16 into 5 is 80 minus 40x. Okay, plus 80. Is it clear till here? Guys, is this clear? I did not do anything. Pardon?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts till here? This is plus 10 into minus 8. I have just expanded what was given, nothing else. This is equal to 40. That's the question. Now, what are the terms that are similar? This and this. So what is 48x minus 40x? It is 8x. This is taken care of. This is taken care of. Correct? Minus 80 plus 80. Taken care of. Taken care of. It is 0, right? Is equal to 40. Is it clear, guys? Simple thing. 8, I only need x. I need to isolate x. 8 is multiplying. It should go there and divide. X is equal to 40 by 8. X equal to 5. Where was the difficulty, guys? Is it extremely clear now? People who said 5 is the right answer. People who said 8 maybe division. Yeah, you probably did something wrong with the division. Priscilla, what happened? Why did I get 1 by 3? Where was the mistake? Let's see where the mistake was.
Keep the minus. I kept it as plus.
Okay, very careful with the signs, guys. Very careful with the signs. See, let me make it a little easier. When you have this part to solve, put the minus outside, guys, and put a huge bracket and do what is there inside. 10 into 4x is 40x and 10 into minus 8 is minus 80. Now open it up. Minus into plus is minus 40x. Minus into minus is plus 80. You guys know that plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. You guys know this? Minus into minus is plus. You guys know this? If you guys know that, there should not be a problem.
So we know.
Is it clear now? Priscilla, you've understood your mistake? Yes. Is it clear now? Let's see what the next question is. But let me tell you something. Now we are only doing it in the form of equations. When we take this same topic to a higher level, we have questions in the form of sentences. They are called word problems. Sentences have to be shifted or changed into equations and solved. It is just one step higher. We'll probably come to that in the next class, but let's focus on today. Let's get our fundamentals extremely right. Let's see how we can solve our equations problem. This is the question, guys. Start solving. When we come to word problems, we will make words, we will make sentences, and then we'll see how we can form equations. For today's class, let's focus on our core equation solving. Let's not worry about what is going to come in the next class. Let's strengthen this. This is your question, guys. Solve. Take your time. I do not want the right answer. I want you to go slowly. I want you to get the answer. Speed will come automatically. Don't worry about that. Relax. Play with it. Keep shifting. See what will happen. Play around with them. Sir, I'm confused with myself. It's okay. It's okay. We'll clear the confusion. Don't worry. What is the confusion, Priscilla? Let me see if I can clear it well. Sorry. These can be further divided into balanced equations. I got 6.5, but it's wrong. Try getting the right answer. 6. Okay. Okay. You guys know how you guys know how to get the LCM of numbers, right? If you know that, that's the only thing that is extra or additional in this. There's nothing more.
So can you repeat what you said? Your voice.
30.
Sir, I think it's minus 30.
Vansh, what's the answer? 30? Siddhita? Vansh is 1. Okay. Yes, 30 is the right answer. Let's see if it is plus minus.
Sir, 30 or 3?
Some with the sign or what? 30 is the right answer, not 3. Let's see, I haven't solved it, but I feel 30 is the right answer. Priscilla, you are strong with the concept. Do not mess up with the signs. The same thing happened in the last problem. Be very careful with the signs. That's the reason I've also written, even though you guys have probably learned it in your previous classes. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, and plus into plus is plus. Okay, so let's see how it is to be done. Arna is typing. Arna also says 1. Let's see why you guys got 1. Okay, no problem. X by 2 minus 1 equal to x by 3 plus 4. What is the simplest thing I can do? Minus 1. Send it there. X by 2 equal to x by 3 plus 5. Is it clear till here, guys? I did nothing. Step by step. We'll go very slowly. No hurry. Is it clear? Type in.
Why did you write y?
Okay. Now, I told you x has to be together. So, if I have to isolate x, I'll bring him here. I'll say x by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 5. Now there are no x's with 5. 5 is a free guy. 5 is a constant, right? He is free. He has no problem. Now, let's see what we can do to this. What is the LCM? X by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 5. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. You guys know how to find the LCM, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this is 3x minus 2x equal to 5. Is this very clear how I got this? 2 into which number is 6? 2 into 3. Therefore, numerator into 3. 3 into which number is 6? 3 into 2. Do you guys know this concept or do I have to explain that? Do you know the concept of LCM? I probably guess you do. You're in grade 7.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear now? Is this step clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Right. So now what is 3x minus 2x? 1x or x divided by 6 equal to 5. I want x alone. I want x isolated. So what should I do with 6? I should send him there. Am I right? I guess you guys have realized the small mistakes you made. It is dividing over here. What did I tell? If it goes on the other side, it will multiply. I told you the reason also why that happens. Or if I have to look at it that way, if I multiply by 6 on both sides, 6 cancels with 6, x equal to plus 30. Does it make complete sense now in multiple methods?
Yes,
Did you guys
sir.
figure out where the problem was? Was it a difficult problem?